In this video, we will learn one easy way to pull images out of a vector or text-based PDF in Power Automate. What we're going to do is convert our PDF to Word, and then use an API to extract image objects from the resulting Word document. Before we get started, it's important to note that we should not try this with rasterized PDFs, because that won't work the same way. We will start by creating an instant cloud flow with a manual trigger. In this example, we will place a manual file input in our trigger step to capture the PDF we want images from when we run our flow later on. We could also use a getFileContent action to pull one specific file into our flow directly. In our next step, we will search the Power Automate connector library for Cloudmersive connectors. We are looking for the Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector, which has a green logo to distinguish it from the others. We will click See More to view the actions list, and from there, we will search for an action called Convert a PDF to a Word DOCX document. We will use this action to make a high-fidelity conversion before we extract our images. Before we configure our parameters, we'll first need to create our connection, which we can do for free with a free Cloudmersive API key. Free API keys allow up to 800 API calls per month, and we can get one by registering a free account on the Cloudmersive website. Once our connection is saved, we'll pass our file byte and file name variables to each of our two parameters. After that, we're done with our Word conversion. We'll now head back to the Document Conversion Connector actions list to find our image extracting action. The action we want is called Get Images from a Word DOCX document. Our API connection is now saved, so we can select this action and begin configuring our request right away. Since we aren't using a file URL, we only have one parameter option to satisfy here, and that parameter will take the file bytes from our PDF to Word conversion as an argument. The image extracting action will return the images from our file as a series of secure temporary URLs. These URLs point to image data stored in a cache on the Cloudmersive server, and we need to download that data before we can write our images to new files in our system. To do that, we'll use a Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector action called Finish Editing Document and Download Result from Document Editing. This action will take the image contents URL value from our prior step as its only argument. And once we select that value, Power Automate will automatically place this action in a for each control. This control will make sure any subsequent flow actions occur for every image returned to our flow. Within the for each control, we'll now add our Create File action. In this example, we'll use the SharePoint version of this action, and we'll write our images to some folder on a team site. If we want, we can name our images using the image internal file name value returned by our getImages action, or by using the file name variable from our manual file input step. The former option gives us the correct extension, so we'll use that option in this example. Once we're done configuring our Create File action, we'll save our flow and run a test. In this example, we'll pull the Cloudmersive logo PNG file from a demo PDF document. When our flow finishes running, we'll find the extracted image in our SharePoint folder. And that's all there is to it. We now have a quick and easy way to pull image content from text and vector-based PDF documents. If you have any questions for us after following along with this video, please do not hesitate to reach out to a member of our team.